Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Anna Vanila Arts. I am Anna Vanila and this is my newest hat. You've seen plenty of videos with this pattern, this type of hat design on my channel, and this is another one that I fell in love with. I love the color so much. I thought I am going to do another hat, but just in yellow. And I love the design and the actual pattern so much so that I thought I have to make another hat like this, because this design just suits me perfectly. It's large enough to wear it, even if you have like a hairdo, updo. It stays nicely because it is a lot of gap here on the end of the hat, so you can have like a bun made or like a ponytail and it will still fit quite nicely. This is the back. The stitching I have done perfectly, carefully, and I think it turned out quite nice. And the color tone and the pattern, I think, turned out to be quite nicely made. And this is the back, the inside, where I've hidden the yarn. And it seems to be quite a nice hat. It's quite warm. It's acrylic yarn, so it's not too warm and neither too cold in it, because acrylic yarn keeps you warm without getting too hot. And this is my other froggy that I love so much, 3D printed froggy. And I love this hat so much so that I thought I'm going to do a video about it to show you what I've done in this month and to share my new things with you. And I am really pleased how it did turn out, and I think it's quite good. The color is just amazing, and I've got blonde colored hair, of course, and yellow with yellow suits very nicely. It's kind of like it works very well together, especially if you have some sort of makeup with a hint of yellow, or some sort of, like at the moment I've got nail varnish which is a bit gold color tone. Gold color toned makeup would look quite nice with this hat, I think. And I made it in literally maybe 2 days, maybe 1 day, and I think, yeah, I did make it very quickly, and I really love it so much that I thought I'm going to share it with you on my other channel, Anna Vanila. I'm going to wear it for you to show you how it looks on me, and hopefully you're going to see it as well. And yeah, I'm amazed that this pattern and this color worked out quite nicely, and I think you could try and do the same thing as well. If you find this color in the shops, it should be a good spot-on project for you. So thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and listening to my videos, watching my videos. Thank you for absolutely everything. Love you lots. Bye.